Yo, what's good guys? Welcome to another video. Today, we got this ugly little M3 over here, only because the wrap sucks. So the whole purpose of this video is so we can make this look better. So before I start unwrapping, I'm gonna do a whole walk around of everything that sucks in this car. You have this. You have this. I don't know if you can see this. It's like a body line over here. This little piece sucks. This M3, it's not even an M3 badge anymore. That shit faded as hell. I don't even have this. Exhaust tip's faded. Diffuser, God help this. The whole reason I'm even wrapping the whole car is because of this. Well, the body work is done. I just have to wrap it over now. Obviously the door ding. And again, this panel is in here over here. The whole wrap just sucks in this car. Like, this is peeling off. Yeah, so the last owner wrapped it, and then I just kept it ever since, because obviously it was winter, so I didn't want to wrap the car in winter. But we have a new wrap. I won't reveal that yet, so most of the clips will be black and white. Bruh, this car is just dinged up everywhere. That was kind of easy. First piece off. So like I was saying, most of the video will be black and white, or at least when the car is in the thing. So I want you guys to comment down right now, what car do you think it is? It's a pretty famous color, but I will mention what company it is. It's from Inozetek, so that will kind of narrow down the color for you guys. So take a guess. Alright guys, we're about to do M3 delete. This is the wrap right here. Let me unbox it. This is the wrap. It's black and white. You guys can't really see the color, but I'm gonna start wrapping that piece, the one you just saw me unwrap. Oh, keep in mind, I never wrapped in my life before, but how hard can it be? Yeah, saw my girl do it once. If she could do it, I could. All right, guys, we just laid our first piece, and I don't know how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna take off because it knows that it comes with a protective layer. I'm gonna take that off real quick. This is scary, and it's a windy day, so. If you see dust, if you ever see this in person and you see dust underneath, just ignore it. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Alright, that took, oh god, hopefully there's no wind noise in the, wait. Alright guys, that took forever, but one panel's wrap. I was just practicing on this, so don't really mind all the, it's like dust in there. It's super windy, and there's one piece right here. It's bothering me. I don't know if you can really see it. It's right there. And ignore this. This was plastic dipped. It was done by the old owner. Probably gonna take this off and wrap it gloss black. But I just wanted to take the headlight tint off real quick.
Because I loved you. Yeah, I'm gonna forgive everything you did. Doesn't mean I trust you. I won't hold a grudge, praying for you now, even if it's tough to. Running from trauma, I spring up again.
Alright guys, the last video you guys saw, last clip you just saw right now, was a while back. Wrapping this car was a whole process. So I started wrapping it first time ever with the Inozetek. Super thick material. Great wrap, but if that's the first time you're wrapping, I guess it's a very hard material to start off with. But that wasn't the issue. When I was unwrapping the hood of the car, the paint chipped off. I guess the hood was repainted from the previous owner. The front part of it, just like with the old matte black wrap, it just came right off. So I got tight and kind of had a deadline because I had to get the car ready for a wedding. My wedding. I go get a car wash.
I want more life and more lives that don't end. Cherish more memories, seconds I spend. Oh, because I love.
Got the car wrapped. Hit up my boy Cheesy. He takes nice ass pictures, so I suck at taking pictures. I don't know if you guys ever figured that out with my thumbnails. It's like sunny as hell today, so hopefully the pictures come out nice. So catch you guys in Fort. Alright guys, we made it to Fort. That's Cheesy's car right there. That's Cheesy right there. Now, this is what you guys have been waiting for. Alright, so the weather's too nice to not put the top down. Let me put the top down. Gotta start the car. one good thing about this car is the drop top, but that's also the bad thing. If any of you ever had like a 328, 335, even M3, it doesn't have to be M3, right? The E93 chassis itself, sure, it looks great, handles amazing when the, you know, roof is basically down, but when the roof is up, especially when these cars are old now, it starts creaking and it's heavier. So yeah, I would much rather like it if it was the coupe, but obviously you can't have, or you can't have, get that behind the scenes. That one came on fire, I saw it. So just move the car in the sunlight.
Say for me when I'm not. Pray for me, pray for me.
So guys, this car is so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh! Oh my god, that's crazy. One funniest thing that this car does is when you put it on M mode, it's like mad torquey, so it sounds like this. Oh, that's funny. Alright. Oh my goodness. Anyway, you guys know that sound. Guys, we pulled up to another location because the other one had a lot of people in there. This is also kind of cool. I didn't put the handbrake up. And also, if you guys were wondering about the lights, it's just M mode. That's about it. And my seatbelt. I'm gonna show you guys something that a lot of BMWs don't have. A clean dash. This car might be old. It doesn't have a problem.
Bring up your personal biz like 7 times 7. Always forever forgive, cause Jesus he died for the kid. But more than jealousy, gotta go back on the cross. You won't have to suffer a loss. Don't follow the enemy. All that's fine in me.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you liked it. And if you guys are rapping for the first time, I would not suggest Inozetek. Start off with something a little simpler or easier. But at the end of the day, if you do it, Inozetek has one of the best colors. I'll give them that, right? Super glossy. If my body was a little, well, the paint underneath was in a little bit better condition, it would look a little better. But the car's from 2008, you know. This is as best as it gets. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.